soul child to the darkest fears inside. Come and join the fun, take a journey through the night. Watch the closet doors or else the night consumes you more, taking every piece of innocence that never sees the light. So grab your only ammunition, your common sense, a torch. The corridors are filled with fragments of things off the porch. How long will you last through these memories of the past? Since without a light to shine, the only soul that's left is yours. Forced down to reckoning, your dreams become the sickening. You thought you were alone, no deep back, you chose to fall, you shout. Break, break, break my mind, break it to the tail of light. Push my thoughts around and back.
haven't been the same since my birthday. We went to Fazbear's, that was the worst day.
Home alone in this awful darkness. I don't even know where my dad or mom is. Never been a fan of animatronics. Can I get a grown up